Hey there! Today, we're diving into the world of comfort and style with the Big Joe Roma beanbag chair, a cozy oasis perfect for any room. This beanbag chair combines support and relaxation with its unique curved, tufted back design, ensuring you stay comfy while lounging. Crafted from trendy, soft, and snuggly fabrics, the Roma beanbag is not only stylish but also practical, with easy spot cleaning for any mishaps. Filled with just the right amount of beans, it avoids the discomfort of being overstuffed, making it the ideal seating choice. Safety and durability are top priorities, with double-stitched seams and dual zippers, plus a convenient built-in handle for easy portability. Proudly designed and filled in the USA, the Big Joe Roma beanbag chair is your go-to for ground-level relaxation. So, whether you're reading, gaming, or just chilling, this beanbag chair has got you covered with comfort and flair. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.